You know, it's Foxy on Worthing Pier on this very windy Saturday afternoon in Worthing. Today is 3rd of October 2000 It's going through this in, so I'm going to hold the candle very carefully because it's very windy. I don't want to throw me in. Otherwise I have to get the Foxy. Go on now. Do we? Wait, 1, 2, 3, watch this. Push. Look, you can see them now, they go mad. There's the bread there. They get quite scared. I won't get you guys. Wow, it's a long way down. Whoosh. Well, don't let me go. That's a very great seagull. You won't get to pieces, silly biddies. You know, most of them are juveniles. Ah, nice, isn't it? Gotta be careful I don't fall in. It's very windy, very stormy. You know. Make sure our stuff's alright, there it is. You know seagulls, aren't you? I'm Foxy, in Worthing today. I'm gonna go have some lunch soon, go to the restaurants. Okay, I'll throw something more in. It's getting sunny now, I think. I didn't get to that big day because it was too cloudy, so I'll just hold the camera a bit more while I throw this a bit further. Whoosh! That's better. Aren't they cute? Little seagulls. Wow, that's the way, weren't it? Well, anyway, see you later.